Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to debug code with Claude Code. Claude Code can help you find bugs, explain errors, identify root causes and suggest fixes much faster than manually searching through logs in code. Instead of guessing what's wrong, you can use Claude as a debugging partner that analyzes the problem step by step. First of all, you need to show Claude the error. So start by providing the error message, the stack trace, the relevant code, and what you expect it to happen. For example, here I will paste this code, alright, and this game here, basically this code is for a game, and the game itself, or let me just open one of my other chats. So the game itself, as you can see, the logic here is that the ball is not hitting the actual thing, and for this reason, as you can see, the game is running smoothly, the ball is moving, but there are multiple balls and this slide is not really hitting. So what I want to do in this situation here is to actually ask the AI to fix it. So give me, or this is the prompt, my app or my game is broken in this situation, and what I'm gonna do is fix the code. So I'm just gonna stop him and write this down, and all I need to do now is to simply wait for it, and the game is no longer going to be broken. He's gonna play the game himself, and the AI itself is gonna try to fulfill all the needs for the game to be working. So it's gonna fix the logic issues, even the style issues, and anything related to the game. Like here, it's even like added the left and right, so you can play with the game here. And yeah, we're simply gonna fix all the things related to spawning ball. Yeah, so as you can see, oh, we went up, so we can catch the balls. As you can see, the game is very playable, and now we can actually move this instead of simply watching it standing there. So yeah guys, this is how you can debug code. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.